देशांतल्या राजकारणाक फाटल्या कांय दिसांसावन भाजपा काँग्रेसींतल्या आरोप प्रत्यारोपांच्या भोवमती फिरत आसात. हातूंत भर म्हळ्यार आतां काँग्रेसीच्या आरोपांचेर म्हाजी धूव 18 वर्सांची आसा आनी ती राजकारण करिना. ती एक महाविद्यालयीन विद्यार्थी आसा. ती खंयचेच बार चलयना. काँग्रेसीन आरटीआयच्या आदाराचेर म्हाज्या धुवेचेर आरोप केल्यात, मात ज्या आरटीआय विशीं चर्चा चालू आसा तातूंत म्हाज्या धुवेचो खंयच उल्लेख ना, अशें स्मृती इराणी सांगता. अमेठीन मेळिल्ली हार गांधी घराब्याक पचोवंक ना. देखून अशी बिनबुडाचे आरोप काँग्रेस करता आनी हाच्या आड हांव न्यायालयान वतली, अशें स्मृती इराणी सांगता.
18-year-old child, a college student, her character today was assassinated by congressmen at the Congress headquarters. That 18-year-old child, and I called her child because I gave birth to her, her fault is that her mother fought the Lok Sabha election against Rahul Gandhi from Amethi in 2014 in 2019. That 18-year-old girl, her fault is that her mother, as has been said by the Congress spokesperson, does press conferences against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. That 18-year-old girl, her character today was publicly mutilated by the Congress spokespeople. And they claimed that the mutilation stemmed from a show cause notice. I want to ask that congressperson, where is my daughter's name in the papers that he flashed? Jairam Ramesh said that he's taking a position on the basis of an RTI application. My question is, where does the RTI application name my daughter? The allegation that my daughter runs an illegal bar is malicious with the intent not only to assassinate her character but also to politically malign me. It is done at the directions, as was obviously stated by Pawan Kheda, of the Congress leadership, namely the Gandhi family, because I had the audacity to hold a press conference and question Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi for the 5,000 crore loot of the Indian treasury. So to the gentleman who sat there, giggled as they assassinated my daughter's character, I will see you in the court of law and in the court of people. And to the Gandhi family, which directed that this press conference be held against my child, I tell you this: send Rahul Gandhi back to fight the Lok Sabha election in 2024 from Amethi and he will lose again. That is my promise as a BJP worker and as a mother to that 18-year-old child. I will see them in the court of law.